I got a new Casio G-Shock Square, and it's a 5610, but you can see it's a special 5610. It's a Japanese issue only. This is my go-to 5610, and it's a U. You know, these have been around forever, other than the U version hasn't really been around forever, but other than it being a U, yeah, these have been around a long time. But this one, let's see the sleeve, get the sleeve off here, and then the box looks like this, This is like $142 from Amazon, and of course it comes with, you know, the Japanese stuff here. It's kind of interesting. I've never seen one like that. It's encased in plastic. Okay. As you guys know, a lot of these Japanese market watches are, you know, kind of interesting because we don't officially see them, you know. And there's like its tag, you know, Japanese, right? But I don't really understand. Ooh, there's sealed plastic. Hold on. Alright, so here it is. And it actually has a blue tint. So give me a sec. Hold this up. This is the classic, you know, watch we're used to seeing. Next to the Japanese market only. Now, I gotta admit, I'm just kind of addicted to G-Shock squares, and especially if they're multi-band and tough solar. So I bought this. Now here's the thing. I may put a combi bracelet on the new one and put this band on a 5600 I have that has a combi bracelet, because the 5600 is not a special one. It doesn't have tough solar or multi-band, and this watch here with a combi V2 would be fantastic in my opinion. But it is a little bit different. Even the band's a little different. Let's see where it's made. You can see that the clasp is actually pretty large. Some people say these are wider. Oops, it's upside down. I know. I don't have good filming, but here's the thing, like, I'm never going to get monetized anyway. So it's made in Thailand. I believe that's where the other 5610 is made. So these aren't made in China, and of course they're not made in Japan. But it's pretty cool. Like, it's the display has a blue tinge to it, like a blue tint. And anyway, it's just something new. I don't know. I've got about 13 G-Shock squares and combi bracelets and titanium mod Ally Express bracelets, and you know, those are nice too, but especially the laser etched camo, they don't tend to rub off. And I don't know, one day I'll move into another type of G-Shock edition, but right now I'm totally hooked on squares. Okay.